friends, welcome back to my channel Hobby Herb. So in this video I am going to tell you that how to make these cups. Before I start this video, just tell me in comment section that you like these cups or not. So let's get started. So the material required is one Fevicol, one marker, one scissor and a square shaped paper. First you have to fold this paper into half. So now my mug is ready. If you like this video, hit the like button and don't forget to hit the subscribe button if you have not subscribed till yet, and comment down that you like this video or not. Thank you. Meet you in next video.